Termidor HE's reduced drilling requirement can cut on-site labor time substantially when applied correctly. Termidor HE allows technicians to place product at wider spacing than many older treatments, which means drilling intervals up to 18 inches along foundations and slabs where the label permits. Start by studying the label for soil type and structure restrictions because placement and depth requirements change with backfill and slab presence. When planning a job, map the perimeter and mark drilling points at regular 18-inch intervals to avoid misses and to keep crews moving steadily. Use a battery-powered rotary hammer with depth stop to achieve consistent hole depths and reduce rework from over-drilling. For interiors or voids near plumbing or HVAC, probe first with a long rod to locate utilities before drilling and apply product through the probe when the label allows that method. Track crew time on each job for a month, compare average minutes per linear foot to your previous standard, and use that data to calculate labor savings per property and projected seasonal impact. Technicians often mistake wider spacing for skipping proper placement, which leaves untreated gaps. Prevent that by following the label spacing exactly and using chalk lines so holes are evenly spaced. Another common issue is underestimating setup and breakdown time gains. Schedule crews in tighter windows and assign two-person teams so the drill operator and applicator trade tasks without idle time. Finally, businesses sometimes fail to convert per-job time savings into increased throughput because scheduling stays conservative. Revisit job routing and booking frequency and run a 4-week pilot to validate realistic daily job counts. We run bighomeprojects.com where we connect homeowners with local contractors and host an active discussion community where professionals share field strategies like spacing, equipment, and scheduling. We help contractors find work and help homeowners learn what to ask for so jobs get done faster and more profitably.